Hello everyone, today we will be having a look at the 5 best chess channels here on YouTube. And we are starting out with Agamator. If you're watching this, you probably know Agamator already. He's a guy from Croatia who currently hit 1 million subscribers. So congratulations, Antonio. He makes daily chess videos in which he covers the latest chess games. 2 years ago, he covered Capablanca, Fischer, Ivanchuk, Tal, and the World Championship matches Tal versus Botvinnik and Anand Carlsen. He has also some very instructive content, like mating with a bishop and a knight. Since this channel isn't really focusing on the more instructive content, I can't really give him a very high place in this ranking. In 4th place, we have the St. Louis Chess Club. The St. Louis Chess Club is an educational organization and one of the best in the world. St. Louis has been widely recognized as the chess center of the United States. They offer free lectures here on YouTube. Very strong master players like Yasser Seirawan, Eric Rosen, and Jonathan Schwanz, which I didn't put in this list by the way, but you have to check him out. I think I've binge watched like all the lectures of Eric Rosen and Jonathan Schwanz. Important endgames people mess up by Eric Rosen I thought was a very instructive and good video. They are just very instructive and entertaining teachers. On number 3 we have Chess Talk. The man behind Chess Talk is Jitendra Advani from India. As he writes on his About page on YouTube, his channel is designed to provide training on various aspects of chess, like opening, gambits, strategies, tactics, game plans, chess basics and rules, and so much more. 3 years ago, I found his video How to Become a Better Chess Player, which really helped me out. It's still a pretty old video, but I think he gave some amazing tips in that one. On number 2 we have Hanging Pawns. The man behind this channel is Stjepan Tomic. His current rating is 1911 ELO, which might be a little bit misleading for some people, because he has amazing qualities as a teacher. He gave up his job to live his dream life, a life full of chess. He has a huge opening library, covering the opening he's studying at the moment. He says that by making videos, he puts pressure on himself to fully understand the concept. He forces himself to study the concept first before teaching it to other people. I've been watching him for a long time and I have seen his growth till recently 100,000 subscribers. Apart from his huge opening library, he has a great endgame series and a playlist with all his training matches, which I think is pretty cool because the mistakes he makes as well as his wins are very instructive. He's very transparent about himself and the games he plays, and I like that he's so ambitious. I really hope that he can make it to a GM. And on number 1, you guessed it, we have Gotham Chess. Gotham Chess, or Levi Rosman, is an American international master. His current rating is 2343, and he makes some amazing educational YouTube videos, covering chess tips and tricks, how to improve at chess. He has a series on how to solve tactics, and a great series on 10-minute openings, which okay, dure sometimes longer than 10 minutes. He has 614k subscribers, but by the time you're watching this, he might already have a million. Personally, I loved his endgame video Rook and Pawn. He's currently the fastest growing YouTube channel, and for a reason. Apart from very instructive content like opening and endgame videos and tips and tricks to improve as a chess player, he covers the latest chess tournaments and games. You get the experience of a private lesson by an international master, which I think is very cool. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!